Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing this Ertiga, this 2018 model. We are going to be discussing the specification regarding the engine, the gearbox, and we're also going to be talking about how many kilometers this car has done, how many owners this car has, and most importantly, the price. But more important than the price is the fact that this car is available with a Motofix advantage and it comes with a Motofix 1-year unconditional warranty. What does all that mean? We're going to be discussing that in this video. Let's get started. Guys, Motofix is India's fastest growing network of new age car repair workshops, which believes in a complete transparent relationship with its customers and a hassle-free relationship. With over 100 plus workshops scattered all across the country in 5 major cities and approximately 1.5 lakh happy customers, we're the best when it comes to automobile service and maintenance, and especially when it comes to second-hand cars. Hence, we're happy to introduce to you all Motofix Advantage. Now guys, you can buy this used Ertiga with the Motofix Advantage. With the Motofix Advantage, you get the best deal on this car, plus you get a 1-year unconditional warranty on this car, which includes the service and maintaining of this car is completely covered. And the best part is you'll get a buyback assurance on this car as well. Let's get back to the video. This Ertiga comes with a 1.4-litre naturally aspirated petrol engine that produces 103 brake horsepower and 138 Nm of torque, and it is mated to a manual transmission. Guys, this particular Ertiga is a 2018 model and has had only one previous owner. It has driven only 14,200 kilometers and the insurance is still valid. It has comprehensive insurance on it. Also guys, this particular Ertiga is a Maharashtra passing with a MH01 number plate. Guys, the interiors of this Ertiga is in really good condition and it comes with an aftermarket infotainment system on the car with a reverse camera, and also you get to control the infotainment system through the controls on the steering wheel. We also have the HVAC which is supplied to the back passengers, and guys, this is a 7-seater. Now guys, this car has been maintained extremely well by the previous owner. The exterior of the car has absolutely no dents and scratches on this car. But if you have a car that's lying at home which has a dent or a scratch that you have been ignoring for the longest time and you want to get it repaired for a really good price, you can contact on the number below, or you can also visit our website and register your car for the next service and repair work, and we will get the best deal on it. Our head technician is now going to be examining the car, inspecting the car completely from inside, from outside, to ensure that you get a perfect car. We are going to be examining all the electronic components of the car. We're also going to be checking the suspension and all the mechanical movements, making sure that everything is perfect for when you purchase the car. By doing so, we are able to give you a 1-year unconditional Motofix warranty on the car. To service this particular car with Motofix, it will cost you 3,299 only, and that's 45% savings as compared to getting it done from an official service center. You can check out our service video to see what all gets done in the basic servicing. In our basic servicing, we do the oil change and the oil filter. A lot more gets done from Motofix on the basic servicing of your car, and we have a detailed video of that as well. You can find the description of that video in the link below. Guys, spare parts for Suzuki cars are available all across India, and the maintenance costs of a Suzuki cars are extremely low. If you get your car serviced or worked upon from our Motofix workshops, we assure you a complete hassle-free and a pocket-friendly service. With over 100 plus workshops all across India, we provide the best service when it comes to the maintenance and the periodic servicing on your car. And the cost is approximately 45% less as compared to an official service center. We also are completely transparent and we use only genuine OEM parts on the service that's done on your car. At our Motofix workshop, we have expert technicians taking care of your car at all time, and we use the latest in technology. We provide real-time update of the work that's getting done on your car, and we also provide a pick-up and drop service. We are a one-stop solution to all automobile related work. Now guys, coming to the most exciting part of the video, the price that this car is available for. This car brand new is available for 9.4 lakhs. And right now you can get this with the MotoFix Advantage for just 8.15 lakhs. And this price is negotiable. You can get the best deal if you contact the number below, or you WhatsApp the number below, or you can also go to the website and check out the listing for this car. This car is available with easy finance options, and you can finance the car for up to 5 years by financing the entire thing for up to 80 to 85%. And also guys, remember you can get the best deal by contacting the number below and getting the MotoFix Advantage with the 1-year MotoFix warranty. Guys, that wraps up this video. If you all did enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more automobile related content. Also guys, remember you can get the best deal with MotoFix Advantage by contacting the number below. Anyway guys, I hope to see you on the next video. Till then, happy motoring, stay safe, cheers.